Welcome to my channel, and today I'm bringing you something truly extraordinary. Imagine taking one of the most iconic trucks ever built, the legendary Kenworth W900, and transforming it into the ultimate motorhome. This isn't just a big rig on wheels. It's a luxury residence designed to dominate highways while giving you all the comfort of a high-end home. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is the king of the road, and once you see what's inside, you'll understand why. Let's start with the motorhome itself. The W900 is known for its bold stance, long nose design, and sheer presence on the road. But as a motorhome, it takes that rugged power and combines it with luxury living. From the outside, you'd never guess the kind of comfort that awaits inside. The conversion makes use of every inch of space, giving you a seamless blend of trucking power and residential convenience. It's not just built for travel. It's built to make the journey feel like home. Step into the kitchen, and you'll see why this motorhome redefines life on the road. It's not a cramped cooking corner, it's a fully functional gourmet space. Stainless steel appliances, a spacious refrigerator, a built-in microwave, and even an induction cooktop mean you can prepare meals just like you would in a modern house. There's plenty of counter space for food prep, and custom cabinetry offers smart storage solutions, so you're never short on space. Whether it's brewing your morning coffee or preparing dinner after a long day on the road, this kitchen is designed to make cooking effortless and enjoyable. Move further inside and you're welcomed into the bedroom, a private retreat on wheels. Unlike traditional RVs where sleeping quarters can feel tight, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome provides a space that feels open and inviting. A plush, queen-size bed sits at the heart of the room, surrounded by overhead storage and warm lighting that gives it a cozy yet elegant feel. With large windows, you'll wake up to panoramic views of wherever the road has taken you, whether it's the mountains, the beach, or a quiet countryside. This bedroom isn't just for sleeping, it's a sanctuary, a place to recharge before hitting the road again. Of course, no true luxury motorhome is complete without a bathroom that feels more like a hotel suite than an RV. Inside the Kenworth W900 Motorhome, you'll find a bathroom designed with style and comfort in mind. A full-size shower with modern fixtures ensures you don't have to compromise on relaxation, while a sleek sink and vanity make daily routines effortless. There's even ample storage for toiletries and towels, giving you a space that feels private and complete, even when traveling thousands of miles from home. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than just a converted truck. It's a statement. It proves that you can have rugged power, unmatched road presence, and top-tier luxury all in one package. From the chef-inspired kitchen to the serene bedroom and spa-like bathroom, this motorhome doesn't just take you places, it makes every destination feel like home. And that's why the Kenworth W900 Motorhome truly earns its crown as the king of the road.